how to make a custom route in Google Maps. Hey guys, let's get started. If you're planning to take a road trip somewhere, Google Maps can figure out the fastest way there. But if you want to take the longer, more scenic route, then here is a perfect tutorial. So for this, open maps.google.com on your desktop view. In the search bar, type in the location or the destination. Tap on directions and it will give you the directions. Now choose the start point by tapping it on the map or directly selecting it. After that, you can choose all of your options and then tap on the options to choose for the distance unit and route options such as avoid ferries, wheelchair accessible, and much more. Once you tap on it, the route will be adjusted in the similar manner. Now to make any changes into the route, what you can do is hover around the location and you can add the destination. To add destination, just tap on add destination button, and after that, if you want to make a custom route and change it, you just have to tap somewhere on the screen and in the direction and long press it or drag it around your location. This way, a white dot will appear on that location and you will also be able to customize the route. And easily as that, you can make a custom route in the Google Maps. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.